my name's Louise and today we're going to be moving sharp and soft. And before we start, just make sure you've read our disclaimer and you've warmed yourself up a little bit. You can have a look back at some of the previous videos by Ballet Cymru, just have a really quick blast warm up to be ready to go. And also make sure if you've got water nearby, because it's been quite hot recently, and that you've got a little bit of space where you're not going to hit anything or yourself on anything. You don't want to be hitting yourself. Make sure you've got comfortable clothing and wearing socks or barefoot or shoes, but just make sure you're not going to trip over or slide around too much. Okay, so you're safe with what you're wearing on your feet. And let's make a start. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift your arm up overhead, right arm, left arm, and then sharply open your arms, and then you're going to look up. So let's do that again. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be sharp with your head. Keep that nice and soft. So you're just gently looking up. And then you're going to come down. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then look down. Okay, let's try that again. In, die, treat, pedwa, pimp, chwech, saith, oeth. Okay, and then you're going to lift your right arm to the side, 1, other arm, 2, bend at the elbows up, 3, and then you're going to split your fingers, you're going to spread out your hands, 4, then you're going to close your fists, 5, and then the right arm's going to do a circle at the elbow, and then down. Same on the other side, elbow, down, and then wiggle on the end, like a jellyfish. Okay, so again, from the top, you've got 2, 3, pedwa, pimp, chwech, saith, oeth. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the end. Okay, so that's moving sharp mostly. And then we're going to go on to moving soft. So you're going to do rolls. So you're going to roll, 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 sharp. And then you can do waves, because waves is another soft way of moving. Smooth and soft. All the way down and sharp on the end. Then you're going to do circles, as if you're washing a window here. So washing a window, hold it sharp. And you're going to do twirls with your arm, twirls and waves. All the way down. And then you're going to come to a sharp X shape down the bottom, or crossed and low. Okay? So let's try that much again. So after you've just finished, you come down, down, jellyfish. Okay? And you do that first bit twice. You go again, up, open, look up, down, down, sharp, look down, side, side, bend, open your fingers, close your fist, 1, 2, jellyfish, and then you've got the rolls, roll, roll, sharp, wave, 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 sharp, window wash, window wash, window wash, sharp, twirl, wave, and cross. And then from there, you can go into moving in your own time, your own way, sharp and soft. So you might move soft into sharp, you might move sharp, and then move soft. Okay, we'll have one practice through and then we'll have a performance. So let's put some music on. Down, quad soft. And then you're going to hold a slow, but then into a sharp position at the end. Okay? So at the end, I'll tell you when, you're going to go smooth and slowly, and then finish really sharply and strong. Okay? So whenever you're doing the sharp movements in this now, the next time we do it, really think about things that are sharp, like scissors or a knife, or just a clean edge of a book, something that's really, okay? And so think about that when you're doing the movement. So you've got to be really sharp and quick and clean and crisp and clear. Okay, all good words to describe sharp movements. And then when you're soft, you can relax, you can go smooth, controlled, okay? That's how we're doing it in this piece. So think of that big difference between the two ways of moving, and you should really show it now, this time. Okay, so one more time. Here we go. One more time. Wait. Twirls, rolls. Smooth waves all the way back down. Wash your windows. And however you want. Okay, ready? And smooth and slow. And sharp and hold. And relax. Shake it off. Diane Power, well done everybody. So I hope you enjoyed. And we've got loads more coming up for you with Ballet Cymru. So keep an eye on our social media to see what exciting things are going to come. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day. Diolch, thank you, see you again soon.